In the vast blockchain cosmos, few shine as luminously as TRON, the decentralized protocol whose audacious goals promise to reshape the fabric of the internet itself. Under the leadership of its charismatic founder, Justin Sun, TRON embodies both the promise of blockchain and the controversies that often accompany rapid innovation. Genesis and growth. Launching in 2017, TRON was the brainchild of Sun, a protege of Alibaba's Jack Ma. He envisioned a decentralized internet, a nod to the web's foundational ethos. By 2018, the project celebrated its mainnet launch, stepping out of Ethereum's shadow. Marco Fuentes, a renowned crypto historian, articulates, from its early days as an ERC20 token to its evolution into a standalone powerhouse, TRON's trajectory has been nothing short of astronomical. Its acquisition of BitTorrent in 2018 was an assertion of this ambition, suggesting a confluence of decentralized internet and content sharing. Technical distinctiveness. High throughput. One of TRON's standout features is its impressive transaction speed, a salient point of differentiation from Ethereum, especially during peak congestion periods. Content sharing revolution. BitTorrent's assimilation was more than a business move. It underscored TRON's commitment to reinvent content sharing. With BitTorrent token (BTT) integration, TRON empowers creators by removing middlemen, fostering direct creator-consumer relationships. DePa's consensus mechanism. TRON's choice of delegated proof-of-stake as its consensus algorithm, while controversial to some, offers a blend of energy efficiency, faster transactions, and scalability. Tech expert Lyle Spencer notes, while most blockchains offer a single melody, TRON orchestrates an ensemble, harmonizing speed, content, and energy efficiency. Impacting the financial landscape. Decentralized apps. Beyond mere currency, TRON's platform hosts a plethora of dApps. Games, financial tools, and social networks bloom in its ecosystem, showcasing TRON's versatility. Decentralized exchanges. TRON's DEXs, like JustSwap, are revolutionary. Unlike traditional exchanges, these platforms ensure seamless token swaps, promoting liquidity and accessibility. Staking and DeFi. TRON's ventures into decentralized finance, with its staking mechanisms and yield farming options, embody a vision where blockchain's economic potential can be maximized. DeFi specialist Melanie Green observes, while Ethereum often grabs DeFi headlines, TRON's quiet yet consistent innovations might just reshape the decentralized financial landscape. Controversies and challenges. Plagiarism allegations. TRON's white paper, at its inception, faced criticisms of plagiarizing from Filecoin and IPFS, casting doubts over its credibility. Centralization concerns. The very nature of DePa's, where a few representative nodes validate transactions, has led to debates about whether TRON leans more towards centralization than decentralization. The Sun spotlight. Justin Sun's marketing might, while ensuring TRON's visibility, often eclipses the project's technical merits. His public spats, high-profile lunch with Warren Buffett, and consistent presence on social media draw both admiration and criticism. Sana Iqbal, a respected crypto-journalist, states, Sun's brilliance is a double-edged sword. His marketing acumen puts TRON on the map, but it also casts long shadows, sometimes obscuring TRON's true potential. Ripple effects in the financial sphere. Content meets finance. With its BitTorrent integration, TRON stands at the crossroads of content distribution and finance, potentially challenging centralized content platforms like YouTube or Spotify. Fintech fusion. TRON's amalgamation of content sharing with state-of-the-art financial tools serves as a beacon for future blockchain projects, illuminating how diverse sectors can symbiotically coexist. Accessibility. TRON's tools, especially its user-friendly wallets, serve as a conduit for crypto novices, easing their initiation into the blockchain realm. Reflecting on this, Dr. Frederick Nolan, a financial technologist, comments, by merging realms traditionally seen as separate, TRON doesn't just challenge the status quo. It redefines it. Prognosis. The road ahead. Acquisitions and alliances. Given its history, TRON might continue its spree of acquisitions, absorbing innovative startups and technologies into its fold. Innovative solutions. As blockchain technology matures, TRON is poised to be at the vanguard, potentially unveiling breakthroughs in scalability and interoperability. Regulatory gauntlet. Like its peers, TRON's dance with global regulators will be crucial. Its DPoS model, centralization concerns, and global operations might invite scrutiny and necessitate adept navigation. Sophie Martinez, a known blockchain futurologist, ponders, TRON's journey might just be starting. As it hurdles challenges, its path might illuminate the broader trajectory of blockchain itself. Conclusion. TRON's tale, replete with ambition, innovation, and controversy, mirrors the larger narrative of the crypto world. It serves as a microcosm of the dreams and dilemmas inherent in decentralized endeavors. TRON, in its quest to redefine the web, also compels us to envision a future where technology and human ingenuity harmoniously coalesce, forging a world that's both decentralized and democratized. As it evolves, TRON is not just scripting its own saga but also contributing to the annals of blockchain history.